What's up, YouTube? If this is your first time to the channel, you might not know that we have been getting unbelievable deals on the Milwaukee M18 line. Their one-key products, and even this M18 Fuel 10-inch circular saw. Why are we getting these unbelievable deals? Well, you can find out about all the new offerings from Milwaukee. We did a whole bunch of coverage on their NPS for 2018. And we said in those videos that there was gonna be deep discounts. Go check that video out to look at all the new offerings, okay? Because they're pretty awesome. But we have been telling you and showing you and providing ways to find unbelievable deals on the outgoing or older Milwaukee products. Now, why are we getting those unbelievable deals? Probably because retailers like Home Depot are trying to make space in the warehouses for those new incoming products, right? You'll never believe what we paid for this miter saw. Let me tell you how much it is. We paid, psych, you're gonna have to wait until after this intro. Hope you enjoyed that intro. And here it is. Because of our very cool gang and the unbelievable community that we have and the live chats and other venues that we offer to converse about tool deals, we were able to order this saw on homedepot.com for $150. $150? Yeah, $150. And this isn't bare tool. This is with a 9 amp hour battery and charger. The battery and charger alone are worth more than $150. How did we do it? That's the secret. You gotta be on the live chats to find out. But it was shipped to us just the way you're seeing it. Okay, there was no other outer box. You can see the box is was, you know, I'm not gonna say banged up, but you can tell it's either spent a lot of time in a warehouse or, I don't know, it was just, you know, shipped in this box. So, my question is, we got a huge discount, but are we gonna pay for it in the end? Because maybe the contents on the inside aren't in the best condition. Let's find out. Pull out our Yojimbo 2. I gotta tell you, some nice styrofoam in here. I think this thing is gonna end up being the deal of the century. So, I mean, and this product's not new, but maybe you haven't seen an unboxing of the M18 Fuel Circular Saw. Here's your literature. Of course, they have the saw literature, the charger literature. This is a rapid charger. You would hope so, with that 9 amp hour battery. We got another box here. Let's check out and see what that is. I mean, everything's packed well. There's that 9 amp hour battery. This battery alone is worth the price of admission when we bought this kit. It's only got 1 bar, of course. There's that clamp. Fence. Here's our charger. I gotta tell you, everything is really packed well. This is a rapid charger. Why do you want a rapid charger with this 9 amp hour battery? Well, you can find out why if you go and click this video here. You're not gonna want to charge your 9 amp hour battery on a standard charger if getting back to work is critical and you have a dead battery. Go find out what's going on right over there. We have our saw blade. Ooh, it's a nice 10-inch Milwaukee. This saw blade's number 484040-176. Pretty awesome. Ooh, we got our little dust bag. Also has Milwaukee on the side, very nice. We got some screws. With that, we could probably pull out our upper piece of styrofoam. The cats are gonna have a field day with this thing. And all we're left with is the miter saw. It looks as though minimal assembly is required, which is pretty cool. You have to get up and running. Let's pull the plastic off of it. As you can see, it's strapped down with a zip tie over here. Keep it from flopping open in transport, I suppose. We have some blocking here, and this extra blocking will help, I guess, the saw from getting damaged in transport. It's pretty thoughtful. Who knows, maybe it was added after the initial release because maybe they had some issues. Maybe they didn't. But I am not seeing any damage whatsoever on this saw. So, was getting involved with the Very Cool gang and getting on the live chats and building a community and being part of the very coolest community on YouTube, okay? And then finding out about tool deals. Was it worth it for this saw? Sure was, because at $150, there's not a scratch on this thing, I gotta tell you. And if you like the idea of buying tools that retail for $5.99, $6.99, and when I say $5.99, I don't mean decimal point, 5.99. I'm talking about $599, $699 regular retail. If you like the idea of getting tools that are hundreds and hundreds of dollars, $600 for $100, 6 times less. I mean, we could do the arithmetic all day long. We could times it, divide it. Yo, any way you slice it or dice it, it's a huge savings. And if you like finding ways of finding unbelievable deals, then smash the like button. You're also going to want to get subscribed. Smash the bell notification. Why? Because deals like this, they come and they go. If you go on HomeDepot.com right now, you're probably not going to find this deal because it was here, it's gone, they blew out their inventory, and it looks as though the sale is over for now. Is it going to come back around maybe July 4th? Possibly, but that's why you're going to want to smash the bell notification. Put all notifications, because when we find out about these deals, you want to take advantage of them as fast as possible. And by smashing that bell notification, you're going to see the videos that we upload. You're going to see when we go live, if we have special videos, emergency videos for unbelievable tool deals. You're going to want to make sure you're keeping up with the Very Cool gang's happenings. With that, I want to say, I'm super fired up to get this thing set up. Yo, let us know down in the comment section. You think it's a good deal? Did you find one at like a flea market? They were selling it for like 50 bucks? How did it work out for you? Do you love the idea of tool deals? Do you prefer to pay full price to help the retailers? Man, let us know down in the comment section. The funniest thing is that this saw shipped out of Lucky, Ohio. If you got in the tool deal and you got on it, where did your saw ship from? Were you lucky too? Let us know down in the comments section. If you pick one of these up, if you're shipped out of Lucky, Ohio, whether it's Lucky or Lucky, I'm still gonna pronounce it Lucky, because if you got on this deal, you were lucky. With that, everybody, I gotta tell you, fired up. I appreciate everybody's help. I appreciate the community. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. We're gonna see you on the next one. Is it over? I know what you're thinking. The video can't be over yet.
I mean, there's gotta be more, right, Vince?
Well, there is more.
We're gonna show you how you can win $500 worth of tools if you enter our contest by clicking the video over here. When you're done doing that, you can click the video down here for some more entertainment, or click the video up here. If you love our content, love our channel, and love our style, make sure you get subscribed over there. Everybody, have a great day.